Today we'll be talking about packing accessories. Before you begin choosing your accessories, you want to know what you're packing and storing. StoreXpress offers many packing supplies to make it easier on you. The first thing on the list are the boxes. StoreXpress offers three basic sizes of boxes: small, medium, and large. A large box can fit light but bulky items, a medium box is the in between, and a small box like this one holds the heavy but smaller items. Next thing on the list is bubble wrap, the original fidgeting toy. If you want to make sure your items are safely contained inside a box, bubble wrap is the most effective way to do so. Now, if you're storing something fragile inside a box, you may want to consider peanuts. And no, they're not salted and they're far from delicious. These biodegradable peanuts are great for fragile items. Now, let's say you store some dish or glassware for a very long time. You may want to consider these packing kits to protect your valuable and fragile items. Now, let's talk about the other end of the spectrum. If you're thinking of storing furniture or mattresses for a very long time, you may want to consider these covers to protect them. Now, let's be honest, there's always room for more protection. This newsprint packing paper is essential to ensure your items retain their shape and stay safely secured when in storage. You may want to consider tape for the outside of the box to protect it and seal it tightly when moving. StoreXpress also offers different kinds of locks to protect the storage units itself. Finally, we also have rope and cutting knives to make sure that you can seal your items tightly within the box as well, or hang them up if necessary. Now, you may also want to consider a tape dispenser for your tape. It makes it infinitely easier to apply the tape on the box. I hope you've enjoyed our segment on packing accessories. Thank you for tuning in to Storage University.